That is not cake.
Toilet paper.
That is not how you cut cake. Look at that. Boys and girls, that is how you get yourself hurt. That makes me uncomfortable how he's cutting it. What?
Which part of that is a cake? The little center?
Do they put cake inside and just call it cake? I don't know why this is making me so mad, but they're just putting cake inside of real items and calling it cake. I don't know how you guys feel, but I feel deceived. This is why nobody trusts each other these days.
Ready?